Here we've got a very standard gym format. People have been sitting on here, sweating, sweat here, dirty hands on here. So how do we solve the problem of sanitation and protective ongoing sanitation? We have to use Bacoban. So we wipe here. This is going to clean that surface, sanitize the surface, and leave a protective barrier behind. That's really important. So what have I done? I've cleaned and sanitized. Same with the seat area. This is water-based, so it's not going to damage the plastic. So here, that is now completely sanitized to Class 2A medical device standard. That's hospital grade. Now we're moving to the free weights. Nobody sanitizes free weights. So somebody will come along, use them, put them back. Nobody thinks to sanitize them. These areas here are highly contaminated. There's no question about it. Now the best way to address this problem is with Bacoban alcohol-based. And we have to be realistic. These are never going to get sanitized, so it's our job to do them on a regular basis. So we very simply take the alcohol-based coating, we spray it on here, and leave it. We do this once or twice a week. So we know that people aren't going to sanitize them. What have we done now? That has cleaned that surface. We are now completely free to touch that. When somebody's used it, and especially all the crevices inside there, they're coated in antipathogen SiO2 layer. So when somebody has finished touching it, they go away. That is then protected, so the next person can come and touch it. As part of our brief, we've been asked to come and give guidance about sanitizing all the different areas in this environment. Here we're going to come to something that should be sanitized. I don't know if anybody that's watching can work out, but there's one place here that we most definitely should sanitize. And there it is. It's the keypad. Every single person comes along with their dirty, sweaty hands and touches that one point. So that is the area that we're going to sanitize here. We're going to use the alcohol-based coating. Put that on. It will be dry in about 5 minutes. Every single person that comes along and touches that is touching an SiO2-based antipathogen coating. Again, once a week is a suitable application time for there. You see how quick and easy it is. But we're protecting the people that are using the gym, actually protecting that surface as well. It won't wear away. Alcohol-based. Now, the owner asked us to consider sanitizing everything. Now, we could technically do it. It would cost a fortune to sanitize all the small areas inside here. But there is an alternative, and the alternative is using our nebulizing system. Now, that involves us bringing a machine, or two machines for this large area, and we very simply place the Bacoban inside the nebulizing unit, and it's pumped out at micron scale droplets. It's a dry droplet. It passes everywhere in the gym, and it would take, for this gym, it would take probably about an hour. And you could do that once a week. Very simply, you put the machine on, nebulize it, put a mist or a fog everywhere. That fog of antipathogen coating descends on the surfaces, kills all the pathogens, and that protects it for the next week as well. So that's really worth considering for this gym owner. Nebulizing the whole environment once a week.